Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Now I know there's a big push out there to be cooking, roasting, grilling vegetables and other foods without added oil. And I'm not disputing the rationale behind it. I really do see the reasoning for it. But sometimes foods don't come out quite as well as you want them to without oil. So I'm running a test here where I'm going to do an oil versus no oil comparison on yellow squash grilled in a tabletop grill. This is a George Foreman type of grill. It's all I've got. You could probably have the same or similar results if you have a stovetop grill to use. Now this is going to be a twofold type of test, okay? I have one yellow squash that I've cut in half and then cut that half again in half. So I have pieces here that are roughly, this one might be up to a ½ inch thick. Same thing here, and the smaller pieces are just a tiny bit less than that, but they're both very uniform in size. And one I'm going to lightly coat with oil, but first I'm going to use a seasoning mix on the non-oil squash because I want to find out how well seasoning is actually going to adhere to the vegetable if it does not have the oil on there. Now you can see what I'm using. I'm not promoting any particular brand or anything like that. I'm just going to lightly sprinkle some on both sides of this. This is the no oil side. And because I do want a little salt on there, even though that does not have any salt on there, I'm going to also sprinkle just a little bit of salt. Now, with the grill that I have, and I'll show you this when I get ready for it, has a little tilt to it. So the no oil squash is going to be on the higher side of the grill, so no oil is going to flow down onto the non-oil. So I'm trying to do this as accurately as I possibly can. So now on the oil vegetable, oil yellow squash, I'm putting just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it, and I'm going to rub, whoop, that was more than I wanted, so I won't need to add any more. I'll just coat the other side this way, rub it in the plate. I don't need to add more than I really want, but I'm taking my hands and just rubbing it on. So there's a light coating, not a heavy coating of oil on this. I don't want a heavy coating. I'm going to wipe my hand off a little bit. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on there, a little bit of this other seasoning blend. Again, the purpose, I want to find out how well this seasoning blend is going to actually adhere to the squash with and without the oil. Okay, on we go to the grill, and I'll show you what I'm doing at that point. My tabletop grill has preheated. You see the light is gone off and I hear it clicking and making noise. Now the grills are non-stick coated, so that may have some bearing on the results, I don't know. Alright, the non-oiled squash is going toward the top of the machine so that no oil can possibly drain down on the other. I think I'll turn this around just like that. And here we go. I will time this and let you know how long it takes and show you the results. Alright, I've let this go for 15 minutes looking for some grill marks on the top side, which I'm really not getting, but I do have grill marks underneath. So because I've got some strong grill marks underneath, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Now, okay, this is the oil version. This is not oil. These are very fork tender, and again, I'm assuming you'll get similar responses from a stovetop grill. So I'm going to move things around so you can see what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're doing a comparison here. So we've got oil on this side, no oil over here. And first thing I wanted to find out was how well the seasonings would adhere to the no oil. And as I am surprised here, the seasonings did adhere on both sides on the no oil. I really thought they would fall off, but they did not. Okay, so on both test batches, we're in good shape there. Now, they're obviously very fork tender. I could have called these done sooner than that, but I was waiting for some grill marks on the top, which I did not get. So that's my grill, not a result of the test in any way. Now what I want to do is taste the no oil versus the oil. I'll give them a taste and I'll let you know what my results are. Interestingly, I can actually taste a difference between the two. Now I used extra virgin olive oil and I can taste the oil in this, whereas in the no oil, obviously no oil flavor. But I was surprised because I thought it would be a very dry result without the oil on there. But no, there is moisture to it and it was pleasant to eat and it tasted good to me. So this taught me something, that I can grill yellow squash on my tabletop grill with no added oil and have very good results, because the taste is good. It is moist. It's not dry on the outside. And this, of course, is moist, not dry. But I can taste a difference. And actually, in tasting them, I think I prefer the flavor of the no oil more than with the oil. That surprises me. Now obviously taste is very subjective, and what I prefer you may not prefer, and that's fine. I'm just giving you my opinion. But this did surprise me because I thought the no oil would be dry on the outside and the seasonings would not adhere. But I was completely wrong on that. It was moist and the seasonings did adhere. So to me, I see no reason to add oil to yellow squash when grilling it in a tabletop grill. Let me urge you, if you don't have one and you do have a stovetop grill, give this a try on the stovetop. Again, this has a non-stick coating. That probably plays a role in the fact that it did not stick, but hopefully you'll have good results with this. So I see no reason to add the oil to the yellow squash when it's cooked on a grill like this. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Have a great day.